didn't actively look.
Dude, there's eels in New Zealand that are huge.
No, you know what? On the way back we went this way, and then I think we came from that end or something. This is familiar now. This looks very familiar now.
Yeah.
You reckon there's like many kangaroos and shit here?
Oh.
I don't know.
Kangaroos don't really do rainforests as much, do they?
Probably not.
No.
Probably right. No.
Yeah, it's more. They need like grassy, like plain sort of area.
Yeah.
More photos this time.
Oh, good. And it's foggy.
Yeah. Might even have an app on that multi-view.
Okay.
We didn't die last time.
No, but that's probably cycling.
Sure?
Yep.
Yeah,
Can you help it?
Almost livable here now. Literally, you could actually probably just live here. It's quite nice.
Minus the black and gold.
Minus the norm.
You see?
Yeah, true. Looks like it's literally very recently just been emptied. Jeez. You know the thing about here though is even if like police were to somehow come out because of like a watch, you could run off into the scrub. They'd never find you. You'd literally never get found. I don't even think they'd bother, to be honest. They just don't like whatever.
Just tread lightly. There was a fallen power line here last time.
Yeah.
Down the bottom.
This also looks like it's been swept up a bit. Yeah.
Maybe the wind for the cyclone. Very slippery.
This has definitely been cleaned up.
Oh no, it's over there.
There's a
Yeah.
house there,
Yeah. The power line's been moved.
There's a house there too, hey? Mm-hmm.
Shit.
Yeah. They've blocked it off. That doesn't stop us.
Like furniture and shit.
They have.
Use the railing. Ooh, the entrance is different.
Is it?
It's been opened.
Fuck. They must seriously be clearing it all out.
Yeah.
Fuck knows what you do with this place though. But it's good. I mean, it's better than it going to waste.
Oh, absolutely.
Mm.
Yeah, it's very different.
Yeah. Very, hey.
Beautiful place though.
Fuck, this definitely wasn't. There was no crime tape last time either. I mean, warning tape, sorry.
What if it became a crime scene?
That's why I like these dogs.
There's a camera.
No, it's off.
Yeah, it'd be.
It's off. It's disconnected.
There'd be no power.
It's cut. Oh no, it hasn't been cleaned.
Oh no.
No.
Stuff has been moved. There was everything down there.
Yeah, but
stuff has been moved.
It's not cleaned.
Fuck. Shit, remember the basement?
I do remember that. It was interesting. There was no floor.
This was, last time we came here it was creepy because it was getting dark.
Hello. Crack-a-lackin', my guy.
We were pretty much here.
Or woman.
We were here when it was dark.
No, we're good.
Should have been fucking seeking its prime.
Oh yeah, this would have been a really nice cabin. I mean, it still is really nice, to be honest.
Yeah, like sitting around the big little fireplace there.
Yeah. That's what it became last time.
Yeah. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, they've actually locked it this time.
Yeah, true. We literally went through the window.
Yeah. Here's Johnny.
Oh, geez, the knife that we stepped into the table is gone. How we stepped the knife.
That's reassuring, hey?
Yeah.
That's really reassuring.
They definitely cleared it out.
Wow, this place is honestly beautiful.
This
This would have a hell of a view, like off the trees.
is such a nice place, eh?
We have an umbrella.
Doing like a getaway camp trip here would have been sick back in the day. Like last time we came here, they had like all the photos of the people that had been here, and there was like a logbook of people. And remember there was like comments in it. I was like, that's sick.
I'm going to open this up so we have another way to get out. Okay? If something needed it.
Just gotta be careful. This is
So is this one among a few cabins, or is
We've
it?
already explored this one, I'm sure.
Oh,
it's on the
okay.
way.
Yeah.
Like when we came last time, it was getting dark pretty quick.
We
Fucking hell, every time. Yeah.
So it was moved out as
Yeah, there's still stuff here.
Yeah. What a mad little fireplace though. Sitting around this little fireplace. Kind of bold to have that black on carpet, but yeah. Yeah, it is.
Actually, what if this whole building just collapsed right over us on it?
Well, we'd
That would not be
We'd go
fun.
sliding down.
We'd probably be fine.
It'd be a
Like a skate ramp, but
Tell you what, who wants to be the guinea pig? He's jumping off. A little bit of a drop, actually. Oh, wow. This is technically like the second floor. This is like a ground floor.
Yeah. Where?
No, that's like ground floor. This is like the
Where's
first
the
floor.
spider?
You probably wouldn't go very
Just
far. It's a lot of trees.
If you did be camp here, I actually would swag up. Sleep here.
Yeah,
Like, there's a bit on the roof, but it's all wood, so it's like
it's actually not that bad.
not that bad at all.
Let's go to the basement, yeah?
Oh, so here's
Are these like funnels, or like placemats?
I think so. Yeah, you know what? They are placemats. Old placemats.
Let's go downstairs.
Basement time, fellas. Oh yeah, there was lots of black holes in here, wasn't there?
Oh, what if there's a hole?
Just warning you.
Oh yeah, there was a
I know karate.
really?
Yeah, this. It's been covered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh god.
This is smell that.
This is fucking bad, this one. Tell my favourite and go upstairs, man. This is fucked. Okay, I'm not sick of it.
Moses as well.
Moses was here as well, late ass.
That was really cool.
Moses was here. Confirmed.
Fucking stinks. Oh, Christ. just looked at the roof. Good. It's pretty fucked. Holy fuck. What are you doing here? What the fuck is in here? Is it a toilet?
Just something. I was ready to see some shit, bro. Go have a look. There's nothing there. It's just a bunch of. When I can catch a breath. Oh. Oh, fucking hell. What the fuck are we doing this to ourselves? Where is our masks?
Fuck, it's posing.
Oh. That sound's happening again. Whew. It's happening a lot more.
Yeah.
Who wants to do the honours of taking us upstairs? Just watch your step. Wow. I feel like I lost about 25% capacity there.
That was mouldy.
Oh.
It's all the rooms.
Hello? We're friendly.
Fuck, the tile's like sinking there.
Boom. Yep. Maybe one at a time, yeah.
These would have been sick cabins. Yeah. There's a fucking vacuum in here. Awesome back in the day.
Dude, what the fuck? There's like a... Weirdly enough, there's like a mattress around there and shit.
Yeah, I know. Oh, fuck, this. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, fucking hell, Christ.
That's fucking cool. I'm about to take you upstairs.
Holy.
It's actually quite difficult using one hand. It's like a bed, like a window here.
Fuck.
Guess this would be for the kids or something.
Probably.
It's even got like a little door and everything.
Actually looks quite snug.
It's quite high off the ground
There's the
actually.
door so you don't fucking
Yeah.
bang. It's probably why they put it there.
I reckon a bit of action's happening here, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, it does look like a bit's going on up here.
Very nice. Some spiders. There you go, Tim. Look at them. What a beautiful man. Literally, there's like a door here that you can shut. So you don't like sleepwalk. Or you could have your prisoners here, I don't know, it's up to you, I guess.
Okay, get a nice sky view photo.
This is one thing I don't understand. If this is designed for kids, how are they supposed to get down without breaking their necks? It's... So what I'm going to do, because I don't trust myself not to break the camera.
Please be very careful when climbing in and out of the loft.
So I'm going to pass you the camera.
At night with three of us, and it was dark, and you just hear like creaking and shit.
Yeah, speaking of, yeah,
Yeah,
like
like
that. Exactly that.
Freaky.
It was just us three, wasn't it?
Actually, no. Yeah,
True.
It's pretty much just the same thing. Just
This is a lot more bright. What was that? Did you hear that?
What's that?
It's like something fell on top here. There's water.
Yeah.
There's another like little
What's
loft.
up the top there?
There's like a loft or
What?
storage area.
What a weird. Yeah, right.
This one smells a bit more like mold.
Yeah.
What's the time now?
We didn't go all the way to the very end during the
Like,
so.
would you
No.
bring this?
Yeah, because it was getting creepy as shit. It's just like a mask and cabinet or something.
We should definitely check to make sure.
What's that?
There's no one here.
well, isn't this? This is like the end of the cabin. Isn't it?
It's like school. The tiles will be right here too. So this would have been like a master suite or something.
Probably with like
Whoa.
Closet to hide in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that just go up high? Yeah, fucking hell. It goes up a bit. Do you want to open that up?
Oh, I tried to open the other one.
Yeah, I'll go here.
Oh, you can.
Yeah, this is probably where like the supervisor slept or whatever.
I was thinking like a master suite.
Guys, it's like
a-
falling apart. Matt, have a look.
Good way to taste it.
Look at the whole pool.
It's a bit of a. That's a bit of a drop. Like, you look down there.
Oh no way! There's like a around this way. There's like a path to go down.
Oh, if you stand on the slats, it's alright.
There's a path to go down here.
Oh yeah, I see.
Like it goes underneath. Maybe there's more. Can you see more colours from here? There's gotta be more. There's gotta be more, right? I wanna walk along here. It's pretty chill. Like, it's actually pretty solid.
Just walk on that beam.
Alright. People have just stopped caring about it, or maybe someone possibly died. And
Wow, guys. Matt.
There's got to be a reason, hey?
yeah,
There's got to be a reason.
It's
Guys
usually
this
like-
probably-
it's actually not too bad.
It's alright.
Yeah, just try and balance the weight if you can. Yeah, like. Yeah.
You think my legs are that long?
Yeah, of course. You can make it. It's not that long. Here. Just reach over. Yep. Yep. You'll be right, Chief. You got long legs.
Clearing and stuff down there makes me wonder if there's more shit. But that's what I'm looking for. Let's have a look at where we are and see if anything shows up on the maps.
It's probably got
nature. I mean,
This is what happens when you go exploring and you're not well equipped.
my heart's
You know what hurts the most? My soul and my reputation. I fell 3 times. I'm also unfit as fuck. Just want to understand
the beams.
I'm literally T-posing right now. I'm asserting my dominance. I've conquered the treetop challenge, whatever you call it.
Challenging walk. Yeah. Fuck. Mold and moss green.
Walkway.
Or is that it?
Yeah.
Holy fucking shit, that is a big huntsman. That is huge, cunt.
Where is it?
It's
Oh
there.
yeah, that is pretty big actually. It's behind the glass, you find. Holy shit. Whoa. Oh, it's alive too. It's fucking huge. Fuck. Oh shit. You know what, I think this is connected to the other one across from us. You know the first one we went to?
This is my baby,
Honestly, you probably could use it. It's actually not bad.
freaky baby.
Oh yeah. It's like the water's old, but got shit in my eye. This one's gonna be like a duplicate thing. Isn't it? This one seems pretty bad. That's what it seems.
Oh fuck. That smells, holy shit. Yeah, that's why. The black mold.
What the?
What's that? That sounds like a possum or a bird even. This one's got way too much mold in here.
What is that?
I don't know what the fuck this thing is.
Oh, it's an old TV.
Is it? Oh, it is too.
There's a TV in here. There's a TV.
Yeah.
Listen.
Amen.
Hear that?
What a fucking hike that was. Holy shit. Have you been to the other one or you don't?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
Gambling.
Not enough rain to like my hands. And as far as I'm actually not that wet as well.
Yeah. I think it's because of like
The trees and
the heat in there, it sort of like dries it up so
More than
quickly,
likely.
you know?
It's not raining, it's just like a cloud. It's mist and fog.
Yeah. Phew.